Hi guys, how are you all? How is your studies going on? Okay, I'm here with the topic of how you should prepare this 45 days. How should you plan for this 45 days? What should you do and what should you not do? This is self-explanatory that the day just arises and the day just passes away. Now think that this 45 days are going to be just like this. The new day will come, it will go. As soon as the day starts, the clock starts rotating. So you cannot afford to waste a single second of these 45 days. What you have to exactly do in these 45 days is, first of all, please mind your health. Okay, now what you have to do is you have to eat very healthy, because staying healthy is very crucial. Because if you're not healthy, then you cannot do anything, you cannot study, you cannot focus. So what you have to do is, you have to first of all mind your diet. You have to eat very healthy food. Just that, eat healthy and stay healthy and study very hard. Another important thing is, what you have to do is, if you have a plan ready with you, what you are studying, if you are studying accounts, write it down that what are you going to study today. Write down, accomplish that, tick mark it, move ahead to next topic or next subject, whatever it is. If you want to study law, which topic you are going to do, how many questions you would be solving, everything, write it down. If you write it down, your mind knows what you have to exactly do. Therefore you won't panic then. And if you don't have a plan, if you're just studying something, that will not serve a purpose, because you will be just like this. जो आप स्क्रीन पर देख रहे हैं, आपकी भी ऐसी ही हालत होगी if you don't have a plan. You should know that what you have to study, what you have to revise and what you have to do next. So you should have all this plan ready with you. Now this is very important thing, that while studying, you should not only keep on studying for hours. What exactly is this? If you study for say 3 hours at a stretch, then take a break of at least 10 minutes. Drink some warm water or tea or green tea, whatever it is. Relax, refresh, recharge, and then start again for the next topic or next subject. Now this is something very important. Generally this happens that student cannot complete the study material itself. So what happens generally is, they skip on RTPs, MTPs, past year suggested question papers. So that is very important to do before you go and write down your exams. If you don't do this, then that is a crime. If you solve the RTPs, your MTP, your past year suggested question papers, then there is a different level of confidence that you get. So what you have to exactly do is, take past 4 attempts RTPs or MTPs, which are rightly available on the site of the ICAI. If any new question appears in the RTP or MTP, please mark that question, that you have to study that question just before exam. That is your 1.5 days का जो भी time period होता है, there you will be studying that question particularly, because you never know that any question from RTP can appear directly in your exam. Like there will be no change, in numbers as well. As it is, question will appear in your exams, and mind me, that will be the bonus marks for you. RTPs and MTP are not the last moment things to study. There are now 45 days left. What you can do is, I assume that you people are done with your studies, you are well prepared for your exams now, and what you have to do is, this 45 days, download the RTPs, MTPs, your past year suggested papers. In the previous video I told that you have to write down a 50-day challenge test. So if you're not even sending it to me, that's okay, but you solve it on yourself. So along with the past year question papers, whatever you are solving, you have to also do RTPs. Mind me, I'm stressing on this word, RTPs you have to do, because any question can appear in your exam exactly the same way it has been appeared in the RTP. And mind me, that will be just happiest moment in the examination hall, when you look at the question paper and you see that the RTPs, exactly that question has been appeared in your exam. So this is not just for CA final students, this is also applicable for CA inter and CA foundation students, that they have to do RTPs and MTPs. Lastly, this is very important, that you stop using social media for 45 days. Please disconnect with people them, because this 45 days are going to be very important for you. If you use social media, if you use Facebook, WhatsApp, Twitter, whatever it is, that is just going to distract your mind. If you start using Instagram, then you only won't know where your 2 hours are gone. In that 2 hours you can revise one topic, so that is very important. So you cannot afford to waste those 2 hours. So now Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, whatever it is, any social media app available on your phone should be right away deleted. If you want to get through these exams, then you have to do all these steps. To quickly summarize, it is just that your day is going to start. You have to have a plan ready with you, whatever you have to study. If you have a plan, you won't panic. Next thing, what you have to do is eat healthy. Then after that, you have to study the RTPs, MTPs, everything. You have to write the test papers. If you haven't seen that video, I am providing the link in the description box. Lastly, you have to disconnect with the social media. If you follow all this, then nobody can snatch the success from you. So that's it from my side, guys. Thank you so much for watching my video till here. All the very best. Study hard.
If you like this video, please subscribe and do not forget to hit the bell icon button. Thank you.